grew up with an Italian grandma, you probably didn't eat in a restaurant till you were maybe 20. And if you did, you didn't want to go back because your grandma's going to make, she may make American food like a hamburger, but she's going to use meatball mix and homemade bread, and instead of tomato ketchup, maybe a little tomato sauce, and she may put aged provolone, you know? For a taco, this is how she may make it. So why would you ever want to eat in a restaurant? I understand. I grew up with an Italian grandma. So I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a shot, you Italians. This is Taco Tuesday. Brown garlic in olive oil is a great start to any Italian recipe. Then you go out and get some fresh basil and Italian parsley. You're going to mix that with some fresh arugula. Slice up a serrano pepper. Oh, these serranos are hot. You could use sweet peppers if you want. You're going to dice up some onions and some oil-cured olives. They give this recipe an authentic flavor for sure. They're one of my favorite olives. Put a tomato in boiling water for 15 seconds, put it in ice water, and the skin comes right off. Dice it up and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. Set them aside. Next, you're going to need some really good Parmesan cheese. Grate it up and get some really spicy salami or pepperoni. Then preheat an electric griddle to 350 degrees and get your great-grandma's rolling pin. Put the cheese and salami on parchment paper on the griddle and brown it on both sides. Put them over the rolling pin and let them set up until they're crispy. You're going to season the taco filling with a little bit of salt and fresh ground pepper. You're going to strain the olive oil from the toasted garlic, and you're going to mix it all together. You're going to fill your taco shell with this, top them with the toasted garlic and fresh herb leaves to make them look beautiful. Then you're going to pour on the best balsamic vinegar you can find. Buon appetito! I promise you're going to love this. Thanks for watching.